going to start making this mirror. It has on this side a polished edge, and it'd be a fun project to do. The wood I'm going to use is walnut, and I have it over here, a piece that I'm flattening now with this flattening jig. The bit I'm using, which is that, is a nice bit, and it's called I'll show you the package. It's made by Whiteside. It's a CNC spoil board surfacing bit. So initially, I took a high compression spiral bit, down spiral bit, and I've made a couple passes on this to level it out. But I want to finish it up with this bit here. So for this, I'll show you a pass. I normally have my hearing protector on and my dust mask on, but you'll see how this bit works. So, if you could see, it takes a nice wide pass. If we bring the camera up a little closer, it takes a nice wide flat pass, and that will clean up this board. Then I can go from there. I'll go to my bandsaw and cut most of it out with that. And on the bottom of this shelf part is going to come up a little higher, so I'll add a couple pieces. Chances are I'll take the wood from the center of this and stack it over on the bottom part of it. It should be a nice mirror, and it'll be a lot of fun to make.